Hello, I'm Ralph Page, System Architect at Samtec. Today I'm going to show you a new demonstration of a cutting-edge test chip and two new high-performance connector systems. It's all driven by Alphawave's AlphaCore 100 long-reach multi-standard SerDes. This is a high-performance, low-power DSP-based PHY. The Samtec products are the new Nova 8 Extreme Density Array system and the new Bullseye test point system rated at 70 GHz. The Alphawave 112G PHY test chip generates two differential signals which travel to a Samtec Bullseye high-performance test cable system. The Bullseye is located opposite the chip on the back of the Alphawave PCB. The signals travel from the Bullseye connector through 6-inch of coaxial cable which terminate to 1.85mm compression precision RF connectors on the first Nova 8 SI evaluation board. The signals then travel through two adjacent pairs of the mating connector set, then through the second Nova 8 board. They exit that board through 1.85mm precision RF connectors through 20 inches of 0.86 RF wave cable back to the Bullseye BE70 connector and then back to the Alphawave chip. The performance, as you can see, is outstanding. Looking at both lanes here, both the victim and the aggressor, we can see that the eyes are wide open. If you look at the bathtub curves below, you can see where the solid lines finish. That's the limit of 1e to the minus 4-bit error rates. And you can actually see that we're getting 1e to the minus 11-bit error rates. This is pre-FEC at 112 gigabits per second, which is really outstanding performance. If we look at the histograms, we can see uniform grouping and great separation between the lanes. This demonstration incorporates Samtec's Nova 8 SI evaluation kit. Samtec has a variety of board-to-board SI evaluation kits. These provide system designers and SI engineers easy-to-use platforms for testing many of Samtec's popular board-to-board connector products. If you have any questions about this demonstration, please contact us at sig@samtec.com. Thank you for your time.